Discover the superior IG200 CNC internal grinder by Shanghai Antsmachine Equipment Co., Ltd. Are you in search of a high-performance CNC internal grinder that can revolutionize your manufacturing processes? Look no further than the IG200 CNC internal grinder from Shanghai Antsmachine Equipment Co., Ltd. Exceptional machining capability. Our IG200 is designed with a high rigidity bed, wheel head, workhead, and feed system. This robust construction provides the necessary process guarantee for internal hole grinding of large-sized, high, 余量, high stock, and high hardness products. With an internal diameter grinding range of 6 to 200 millimeters and a grinding hole depth of 170 millimeters, it can meet the processing requirements of a wide variety of internal hole sizes. Moreover, different grinding spindles are available for selection to adapt to products with different bore diameters. It is also suitable for high-efficiency grinding with ceramic CBN wheels, enabling it to handle processing tasks of various materials. High-precision machining. Equipped with advanced grinding technology, the IG200 ensures high surface finish of workpieces, achieving micron, level dimensional accuracy. It can be equipped with Marposs internal diameter gauges for on-line internal diameter measurement. This feature offers strong accuracy stability, allowing for real-time monitoring and ensuring processing accuracy, safe and convenient operation. The IG200 features a user-friendly design. It is easy to operate, which not only improves production efficiency, but also reduces processing costs. Safety is a top priority. The machine is equipped with a fully enclosed machine guard, tempered glass observation window, emergency stop button, 1 key retraction function, and safety door interlock, providing comprehensive safety protection for operators. Superior grinding spindle performance. The grinding spindle of the IG200 has a rotational speed ranging from 0.3200 rpm. This allows for flexible adjustment according to processing needs, effectively improving grinding efficiency and ensuring excellent grinding results in different processing scenarios. Whether you need CNC internal grinders, CNC external grinders, surface grinders, centerless grinders, or tool grinders, Shanghai Antsmachine Equipment Co., Ltd. is your reliable partner. Contact our sales team today at contact@antsmachine.com and take the first step towards enhancing your manufacturing capabilities.